All right, YouTube. Thanks for watching the channel. Make sure when you enter the building, like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Share the video through your platforms, your social medias, through your Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, everything. Everything you live stream on, share the video. This video right here is going to be about changing the air filter on a 530i BMW. All right, 2000. It's a 2003 530i BMW. We're gonna change the air filter. So what you want to do is push these tabs here, push these tabs here. That's it. Should be a quick little video. Bam. That's it. See that? Then what you want to do too, make sure you ain't really got that much debris in there. Whatever you can get out, get it out. But I don't think we get all that out right there. So get that. Try to dry it up. Whatever you can dry up. I had sprayed and washed it, so if you can dry it up, dry it. Alright, so whatever you can get in there, try to dry it up. Can't get it all. So what we're gonna do here, this is a quick little simple video on how to change your air filter on a 2003 530i BMW Sport. You see here, this is the cage. If you look at this is the part number. Alright, 1371730 This could be the one. This is an original, made in Germany. It's an original air filter. You see that? Look how dirty that is. See that? And you can get the original. So pretty much go with aftermarket. We're gonna go with this. All right, I bought this out of Walmart. No. This didn't come out of Walmart. This came out of Advanced Auto. I bought this out of Advanced Auto. Part number A45105. Air filter. All right, so that's what we're gonna go with. We're gonna go with this. So what you're gonna do? See? Yeah, this is made in China. Wow, how's that? You got one made in Germany. You got one made in China. Different part numbers, but pretty much the same thing. You see the difference, right? You see the difference between that. And then if you open this up, like a deck of cards. If you look at it, it'll blind you. Look at that. So what you're gonna do with this? You're gonna flop it in here. You don't have to put no extra seals or nothing extra in there for this. No cushions. Make sure it's in there nice and snug. All right, that's nice and snug in there. We got it right there. Bam. See? All right. So we're gonna do here. Put it there. It's in there nice and tight. See right here. All you gotta do is push down on this. You know what? Pull it out. What you're gonna do? Bring the whole thing down. Make sure it go in the snub. You see? Oh shit! Got the rag up in there. All right. That's it. It's going to click at the bottom. See, it clicks there. It's going to click there. We got it in there. And that's it. That's your air filter. Put it back in the box. All right. Put it in the same box. You ain't got to go too tough with it. And that's it. Now, like I said, the car been sitting for a couple of years, for a few years, a decade. So since it's been sitting for a decade, we got to get it together. So we definitely gonna get it together. So we gonna get all this stuff up here for steam. Had to steam wash the motor down, steam wash the car, and it's your air filter. All right, so that's your air filter. We out of here. Thanks for watching. Get at y'all next time. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you. Appreciate it.